Hey there, food lovers. Looking for a lighter, brighter way to enjoy your pasta nights without the carb overload? Let me introduce you to the wonderful world of zucchini noodles, or zoodles as we like to call them. These green wonders are about to become your new best friend in the kitchen. Zucchini noodles are simply zucchini that's been spiralized or grated to resemble long, thin noodles. They are a fantastic low-carb, gluten-free alternative to traditional pasta, offering a delicious and guilt-free way to enjoy your favorite pasta dishes. Trust me, once you try these vibrant green noodles, you'll be hooked. They're incredibly easy to make, and their mild flavor makes them a perfect canvas for a variety of sauces and toppings. So grab your spiralizer or grater and let's get started on this culinary adventure. Before we dive into the exciting part, let's round up the gang of fresh ingredients that'll make this dish sing. Freshness is key, and each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating a symphony of flavors. Don't worry, we're keeping things simple and delicious. Here's your shopping list. Make sure to jot these down so you don't miss any of the essentials. Fresh zucchini. Look for firm, bright green zucchini. We're aiming for about 2 medium-sized ones to serve 2 hungry diners. Zucchini will be the base of our dish, providing a light and refreshing texture. Fresh basil, the heart and soul of our pesto. Grab a big bunch, about 2 cups worth, for that vibrant, peppery kick. Basil not only adds flavor, but also a beautiful green color to our pesto. Pine nuts. These little gems add a creamy richness to our pesto. A half cup should do the trick. Pine nuts are essential for that authentic pesto texture and taste. Parmesan cheese. Because everything's better with a sprinkle of cheesy goodness, we'll need about a cup of grated Parmesan. This cheese will add a savory depth to our dish. Garlic. 2 cloves of this aromatic hero will add a punch of flavor to our pesto. Garlic is a must for that classic Italian taste. Olive oil, our liquid gold. Have about a half cup on hand for both the pesto and lightly sautéing our zoodles. Olive oil brings everything together with its smooth, rich flavor. Salt and pepper, our trusty seasoning duo, add to taste. These will enhance all the other flavors, making sure our dish is perfectly seasoned. Now that we've got our culinary crew assembled, let's turn these fresh ingredients into a taste-bud tantalizing masterpiece. With everything prepped and ready, we're set to create a dish that's not only delicious, but also a feast for the eyes. Let's get cooking and bring these ingredients to life. Time to unleash our inner culinary ninjas. Transforming zucchini into zoodles is easier than you think. You've got 2 main weapons in your arsenal, the trusty spiralizer or the classic grater. If you're rocking a spiralizer, simply attach a zucchini and twist away. You'll be rewarded with beautiful long zoodles ready to soak up all that pesto goodness. No spiralizer? No problem. Grab your grater and use the large hole side to create shorter, equally delicious zucchini ribbons. Once you've got your zoodles ready, pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. This helps prevent them from becoming watery during cooking. And that's it. You've officially transformed humble zucchini into a blank canvas for culinary creativity. While our zoodles are waiting patiently, let's turn our attention to the star of the show, the pesto sauce. This sauce is not just any sauce, it's a vibrant green masterpiece that will elevate our dish to a whole new level. This vibrant green sauce is bursting with fresh flavors and comes together in a flash. It's the perfect blend of ingredients that will make your taste buds dance with joy. In your trusty food processor, combine the fresh basil leaves, pine nuts, grated Parmesan cheese, garlic cloves, a pinch of salt, and a good grind of black pepper. These ingredients are the foundation of our pesto, each bringing its unique flavor to the mix. The garlic adds a punch, while the Parmesan brings a savory depth. The pine nuts add a subtle nuttiness, and the basil, well, it's the star herb that gives pesto its signature taste. Drizzle in the olive oil and blitz until you have a smooth, creamy pesto. The olive oil not only helps to blend everything together, but also adds a rich, silky texture. Remember, we want the flavors to sing, so taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. This is your chance to make the pesto truly your own. You can add more Parmesan for a cheesier kick. The extra cheese will make the sauce even more indulgent and flavorful. Or a touch more garlic for a bolder flavor. If you love garlic, don't be shy. Add an extra clove or 2. Now here's a little chef's secret. For an extra burst of freshness, stir in a tablespoon of lemon juice at the very end. The lemon juice adds a zesty brightness that cuts through the richness of the sauce. It brightens up the flavors and adds a citrusy twist. This final touch will make your pesto stand out and leave everyone asking for your secret ingredient. Your taste buds will thank you. Enjoy the burst of flavors and the satisfaction of making a delicious homemade pesto sauce. Section 5. The nutritional heavyweight, zucchini, to the rescue. Don't let their delicate appearance fool you. Zucchini noodles are packed with nutritional power. These green wonders are naturally low in calories, carbs, and fat, making them a guilt-free alternative to traditional pasta. But wait, there's more. Zucchini is also a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and protect your cells from damage. They're also rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. And let's not forget about the pesto. Basil, the star ingredient, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while pine nuts contribute healthy fats and vitamin E. So not only is this dish delicious, but it's also doing wonders for your body. Section 6. A world of flavor, the versatility of zucchini noodles. One of the best things about zucchini noodles is their incredible versatility. They're like a chameleon in the kitchen, effortlessly adapting to a wide range of flavors and cuisines. The mild flavor of zucchini makes it a perfect canvas for bold, savory sauces, as well as lighter, brighter dressings. Feel like spicing things up? Toss your zoodles with a fiery arrabbiata sauce or a creamy, cheesy Alfredo. For a taste of the Mediterranean, pair them with sun-dried tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. The possibilities are endless, and don't limit yourself to dinner. Zucchini noodles also make a fantastic base for cold salads. Try them with a lemony vinaigrette, some grilled chicken or shrimp, and a sprinkle of toasted pine nuts for a refreshing and satisfying lunch or light dinner. Section 7. Make it your own, customizing your culinary masterpiece. Welcome to the exciting part of our culinary journey, where you get to infuse your personality into the dish. Now comes the fun part, making this dish your own. This is where you can truly shine and let your creativity flow. Feel free to get creative and add your personal touch to this already delicious recipe. Think of it as a blank canvas, waiting for your artistic flair. Here are a few ideas to get your culinary juices flowing. You can start by choosing your preferred protein. Boost the protein content by adding grilled chicken, shrimp, or even tofu. Each option brings a unique texture and flavor to the dish, or tofu to your zoodles. For a vegetarian option, chickpeas or cannellini beans are also fantastic additions. They not only add protein, but also a delightful creaminess. Or cannellini beans are also fantastic additions. These legumes are perfect for adding a hearty and satisfying element to your meal. Embrace the rainbow and add a medley of your favorite veggies. Cherry tomatoes with their burst of sweetness, bell peppers which add a crunchy texture and vibrant color, mushrooms with their earthy flavor, and asparagus all pair beautifully with zucchini noodles. These vegetables not only enhance the visual appeal, but also the nutritional value of your dish. Amp up the flavor with fresh herbs like parsley, which adds a fresh, peppery taste, oregano, which brings a hint of Mediterranean flair, or chives, which offer a mild onion-like flavor. A sprinkle of red pepper flakes will add a touch of heat, perfect for those who like a bit of spice, while a squeeze of lemon juice will brighten up the flavors, adding a zesty and refreshing note to your dish. Remember, there are no rules in the kitchen. This is your space to experiment and have fun. Let your taste buds be your guide, and experiment with different flavor combinations until you create your ultimate zucchini noodle masterpiece. Enjoy the process and savor every bite of your customized creation. Section 8. Ready, steady, zoodle, embracing a healthier plate. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and inspiration, it's time to put your culinary skills to the test. Gather your ingredients, summon your inner chef, and let's create a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. Remember, cooking should be fun and enjoyable. Don't be afraid to experiment, get creative, and make this recipe your own. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a kitchen newbie, this dish is easy to make and even easier to devour. So ditch the carb-laden pasta and embrace the light, fresh, and oh-so-delicious world of zucchini noodles. Trust me, your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. Section 9. Join the zoodle revolution. There you have it, food lovers. A simple, delicious, and healthy zucchini noodle recipe that will revolutionize your weeknight dinners. Once you experience the joy of twirling these vibrant green noodles on your fork, there's no going back. So what are you waiting for? Grab your zucchini, unleash your inner chef, and join the zoodle revolution. Share your culinary creations with the world and spread the love for this versatile and nutritious dish. Happy cooking. Subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.